In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Microsoft Sticky Notes. This process is essential for keeping your notes up to date across all devices. Sticky Notes is a convenient tool for jotting down quick reminders and important tasks. By syncing your notes, you ensure that your valuable information is always accessible no matter where you are. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Sticky Notes app on your PC. You can find it by searching in the Start menu. Look for the bright yellow icon, which is easily recognizable. Once you click on it, the app will launch and you will see your existing notes if you have any. If this is your first time using Sticky Notes, you might see a blank slate ready for your ideas. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything else. You want to ensure you are working in the right environment where your notes can be managed effectively. Next, click the Settings icon, which looks like a gear symbol located in the top right corner of the main Notes list window. This button is typically straightforward to spot. Once you click on it, a Settings menu will appear, allowing you to customize your Sticky Notes experience. This step is significant as it provides access to various options that can improve how you use the app. You will see options related to appearance and syncing, which are vital for keeping your notes organized and up to date. Now scroll down slightly in the Settings menu and click the Sync Now button to force an immediate backup. This button is essential for ensuring that any changes you've made are saved across your devices. When you click it, the app will begin to sync. You may notice a brief status indicator while this happens, confirming that your notes are being backed up. This step is important because it keeps your notes secure and ensures that the latest version is available on all your devices. Once that is done, take a moment to verify that your notes are syncing correctly. You can do this by checking another device where you have Sticky Notes installed. Open the app and see if the changes you made appear there. This verification helps confirm that your sync was successful. If everything looks good, you can feel reassured that your notes will always be accessible no matter which device you use. In summary, syncing Microsoft Sticky Notes is a straightforward process that involves just a few steps. By following these instructions, you ensure that your notes are consistently updated across all your devices. Remember, keeping your notes synchronized not only saves time but also prevents the frustration of losing important information. With your notes safely backed up, you can focus on what really matters, getting things done. Thank you for watching and happy note-taking.